Let's talk about selling your home in the spring. Spring is known as the season for real estate, and for good reason. In Fairfax County, spring is when the market comes alive. Buyers have taken a break over the holidays and they jump back into the market. With all that activity also comes more competition. So let's look at what the data actually says. So between 2022 and 24, Fairfax County averaged about 3,800 listings each spring, which is double what it is in the winter. Despite the surge, homes sold fast, average days on market was still 5, and the median sale price hovered around $694. The reason people like to list in the spring is that trees and gardens are in bloom, it stays late longer, families are getting ready for the next school year, so they want to get things done by May. And if your home is updated, staged, and priced right, the market will reward preparation. But spring's biggest strength, the number of buyers, can also be its biggest challenge. More listings mean more options. You're not the only seller trying to capture attention. Buyers become pickier, comparing finishes, condition, price per square foot, etc. With multiple offers common, proper pricing is key. Go too high, you risk sitting longer on the market than you should. Too low, you are concerned that you're going to leave money on the table. It's a balancing act, and local expertise makes all the difference. Give me a call.